Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure mobile data limit on Alcatel 1SE Lite. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings. Right here, select network and internet. Then we can go for the mobile network. Here there's a data warning and limit, and we can activate set data limit right there. You can change the amount of the limit, and you can also switch to megabytes or gigabytes. Keep in mind that 1000 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. So in this case, we're gonna go for 6 gigabytes. Then we can activate or deactivate set mobile data warning and change when we receive it. So for example, here it's set to 2 gigabytes, and when we reach 2 gigabytes of usage, then we'll receive a data warning. Now, next thing is app data and usage cycle, and here you can change when does this limit restarts on each day of the month. So for example, we're gonna go for the first day of the month. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.